name is Edgar O'Malley, and we just finished Module 1, Intro to Electricity. What we learned in Module 1 was Ohm's Law and where electricity actually comes from, how does it get to a neighborhood and to a house. The other thing, we learned how to connect in parallel and series. What I think about Module 1 was there was a lot of repetition. What helped a lot was there was a lot of hands-on training too. We did some classwork, but there was a really good hands-on training. My best memory in Module 1 was when I blew up the blower motor in class, but for sure I'm not going to do it again because for sure now I know how to connect all the wires. Hi, my name is Edgar O'Malley. We just finished Module 1 and I'm still a future HVAC technician.